In this video, I have connected an Arduino Uno board to a water level sensor. So, using this water level sensor, we can monitor the water level. So, this is the code I have written for the water level sensor. So, now I am going to select the board. I am selecting the board Arduino Uno, and I am selecting the port also and giving OK. And after uploading this, it will come as done uploading, and then you can monitor the water level using some cup of water. Using a cup of water we can monitor it. So now after uploading it, you can see the water level. Sensor value is 000, so there is no water. Now I am going to insert this water level sensor into a cup of the water. So if I am inserting this into this water cup of water, means the value will get changed. So you can see now I am inserting and the value is getting changed. From 0 it is getting changed to 500, 545 like that. So if we inserting full, means it will increase more and more. So this is the working of this water level sensor using an Arduino Uno board. You can see the changes. Thank you.